Now, the coalition politics between the Congress party and the Janata Dal S in Mysuru seems to have divided the Congress leadership as the development in its own backyard has not gone down well with former Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. Now, the tussle between the KPCC President D.K. Shivakumar and Siddaramaiah is out in the public. Take a look.
With the Congress infighting over the central leadership already out in the open, reports are now emerging of a power tussle within the party in Karnataka.
ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಭಿನ್ನಾಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಕಾಣೋ ರೀತಿ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಇವತ್ತು ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ದುಃಖ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಮೈಸೂರು ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಯರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ನಡೆದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಘಟನೆ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಬಹಳ ದುರದೃಷ್ಟಕರವಾದಂಥದ್ದು. ಇವತ್ತು ಒಬ್ಬರ ನಾಯಕರನ್ನ ಹಿನ್ನಡೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಕ್ಷದವರೇ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಮೇಯರ್ ಸ್ಥಾನನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಪಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಗುವ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಬಹಳ ವಿಷಾದನೀಯವಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸಂಗತಿ.
ಚೀಫ್ ಒಬ್ಬರನ್ನ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಲೀಡರ್ನ ವೀಕ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಲೀಡರ್ ಇಫ್ ಈ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್, ಇಫ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ನಾಯಕರಿಗೆ ಯಾರು ಕೂಡ ಅಗೌರವದಿಂದ ಕಂಡ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಸಹಿಸುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್. Indiscipline will not be taught.
All is not well within the Congress party. Former Chief Minister Siddaramaiah's son Yatindra Siddaramaiah had criticized top leaders on sidelining Siddaramaiah. On the other side, MLA Akhanda Srinivas is all set to file a complaint against KPCC President D.K. Shivakumar on not acting against Sampath Raj in connection with Bengaluru riots.
The discontent within the party also emerges from the fact that Karnataka Congress President D.K. Shivakumar gave a clean chit to Sampath Raj, one of the accused named in the Bengaluru riots charge sheet. MLA Akhand Srinivas Murthy had said that he will file a formal complaint against D.K. Shivakumar with Rahul Gandhi.
And the court was decided to take action immediately, and then they were arrested Mr. Sampath Raj, ex-mayor, and Mr. Zakir A.R. Zakir. They have done my house burned by when the CCB police was charged the case on them. They filed and they were arrested. Now our MLA, our presidents are telling he is clean chit, is nothing in this case. They are telling. So why they are telling? Let us go. Let us jurisdiction is there. Court is there. What court decide court will take action. See, I have declared with Rahul Gandhi and our AICC in charge, Mr. Ajit Sujaiwala sir. We are going to give complaint. I am an MLA. You should support us.
And this is what the party president had to say in response.
I wish him all the best.
Ever since the appointment of D.K. Shivakumar as the president, Congress in the state seems to be divided amongst two factions, one of the new congressmen led by Siddaramaiah and the other led by D.K. Shivakumar.
Siddaramaiah was unhappy with all the development within the Congress party, escalated the issue with K.C. Venugopal when he attended the marriage of Randeep Surjewala's son in Delhi. K.C. Venugopal even seemed to have tried to console Siddaramaiah on this issue.
While the ongoing infighting of Congress has given other political parties a chance to attack Congress, JDS, which is tying up with the Congress in mayoral elections, declined to comment.
ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಸಾರಾ ಮಹೇಶ್ ಅವರು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಇಟ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕವಾಗಿ. ಅವರ ಪಕ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಭಿನ್ನಾಭಿಪ್ರಾಯಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಉತ್ತರ ಕೂಡ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಅಲ್ಲ.
Meanwhile, former Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has also expressed his grievances to K.C. Venugopal and State in charge Randeep Surjewala, who subsequently issued notice to local leaders to explain the decision on mayor elections.
AICC-ಯವರು ಕೊಡುವಂತಹ ನೋಟಿಸ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರದೇಶ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಸಮಿತಿಯವರು ಒಂದು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಶಿಸ್ತಿನ ಸಮಿತಿಗೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ ಪ್ರದೇಶ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಸಮಿತಿಯ ಶಿಸ್ತಿನ ಸಮಿತಿಯ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದಂಥ ರಾಮನ್ ಖಾನ್ ಅವರು ನನಗೆ ಕಾರಣ ಕೇಳಿ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಜಾರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ನಾನು ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಕ್ಷದ ಶಿಸ್ತಿನ ಸಿಪಾಯಿಯಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿರುವಂಥ ಅಂಶಗಳಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡೋ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ವಿವರಗಳು ಮೈತ್ರಿ ಆಗುವಂಥ ಸನ್ನಿವೇಶಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಇತರ ಭಾಗಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂಥ ಮೈತ್ರಿಯ ಅದರ ಫಲ ಮತ್ತು ಅದರಿಂದ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥ ನಷ್ಟಗಳ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುದೀರ್ಘವಾದಂಥ ಉತ್ತರವನ್ನು ಇನ್ನು 2-3 ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕೊಡುವಂಥದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂದಾಗ್ತೀನಿ.
The Cold War between KPCC President and opposition party leader Siddaramaiah seemed to have reached a new low, where leaders have come out in public and talking about the differences between party members. Even Siddaramaiah claimed that he will try to address this issue within the party. And there is also a notice which has been issued to Tanveer Seth, who was looking after mayoral election, to give explanation on this particular decision.
Bureau Report, Republic TV.